Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meaning. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. January 6, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. 1. Seldom, adverb.
कभी कभार, बहुत कम, कभी कभी.
Not often, rarely. Example, Ile is seldom visited by tourists. Synonyms, rarely, infrequently, on rare occasions, hardly ever, scarcely ever, hardly, scarcely. Antonyms, often, frequently. 2. Despondent, adjective.
पस्त हिम्मत, मायूस, नाउमीद.
In low spirits from loss of hope or courage. Example, she grew more and more despondent. Synonyms, disheartened, discouraged, dispirited, downhearted, low-spirited, in low spirits, hopeless. Antonyms, hopeful, cheerful. 3. Fortunate, adjective.
मुबारक, खुश किस्मत, नेक नसीब.
Favored by or involving good luck, lucky. Example, she'd been fortunate to escape serious injury. Synonyms, lucky, favored, blessed, blessed with good luck, in luck, born under a lucky star. Antonyms, unfortunate.
4. Devastating. तबाकुन, शदीद अलमनाक, हौसला शिकन.
Highly destructive or damaging. Synonyms, destructive, ruinous, disastrous, catastrophic, calamitous, cataclysmic. Antonyms, blessed, fortunate. 5. Averse, adjective.
मुखालिफ, नारजामंद, कराहत आमेज.
Having a strong dislike of or opposition to something. Example, as a former CIA director, he is not averse to secrecy. Synonyms, opposed to, against, antipathetic to, hostile to, antagonistic to, unfavorably disposed to. Antonyms, keen. 6. Rhetoric, noun.
शौकत अल्फाज लिसानी हिल्म बयान तकरीर या तहरीर जिसका मकसद मुअस्सर और लोगों को मुतासिर करना है. होशियार ज़ुबान जो अच्छी लगती है लेकिन मुखलिस नहीं है, इसका कोई हकीकी मानी नहीं है. अक्सर सियासतदान बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते लोगों पे अटर डालने के लिए पर इन अमल पे अमल नहीं करते.
The art of effective or persuasive speaking or writing, especially the exploitation of figures of speech and other compositional techniques. Example, he is using a common figure of rhetoric, hyperbole. Synonyms, oratory, eloquence, power of speech, command of language, expression, way with words. Antonyms, quiet, conciseness. 6. Viable, adjective.
वो चीज़ जो मुमकिन हो, काबिल अमल, काबिल तामील.
Capable of working successfully, feasible. Example, the proposed investment was economically viable. Synonyms, workable, feasible, practicable, practical, applicable, usable, manageable, operable. Antonyms, impracticable. 7. Gigantic, adjective.
बहुत बड़ा, इफरीत, दिव्यकल जसामत का.
Of very great size or extent, huge or enormous. Example, a gigantic concrete tower. Synonyms, huge, enormous, vast, extensive, expansive, broad, wide, very big/large, great. Antonyms, tiny. 8. Skepticism, noun.
शुकूक और शुबहात, शक करने वाला.
A skeptical attitude, doubt as to the truth of something. Example, these claims were treated with skepticism. Synonyms, doubt, doubtfulness, dubiousness, a pinch of salt, lack of conviction, disbelief. Antonyms, conviction, belief, faith. 9. Emphatic, adjective.
जोरदार, ताकीदी अंदाज में कहना.
Expressing something forcibly and clearly. Example, the children were emphatic that they would like to repeat the experience. Synonyms, vehement, firm, wholehearted, forceful, forcible, energetic, vigorous, ardent. Antonyms, hesitant, tentative. 10. Extravagance, noun.
फजूल खर्ची, इसराफ.
Lack of restraint in spending money or using resources. Example, his reckless extravagance with other people's money. Synonyms, profligacy, lack of thrift, unthriftiness, thriftlessness, improvidence, wastefulness. Antonyms, thrift. 11 grim, adjective.
कड़ा, शदीद, सख्त, संगीन.
Very serious or gloomy. Example, his grim expression. Synonyms, stern, forbidding, uninviting, unapproachable, aloof, distant, formidable, strict. Antonyms, amiable, pleasant. 12 brim, verb.
लिबालब, लबरेज, किनारा.
Be full to the point of overflowing. Example, my eyes brimmed with tears. Synonyms, be full, be filled up, be filled to the top, be full to capacity, be packed with. Antonyms, center, inside, interior, middle. 13 detrimental, adjective.
नुकसानदेह, मुज़िर, ज़ररसा.
Tending to cause harm. Example, recent policies have been detrimental to the interests of many old people. Synonyms, harmful, damaging, injurious, hurtful, inimical, deleterious, dangerous, destructive. Antonyms, benign, beneficial. 14 edible, adjective.
खाने के काबिल, लजीज.
Fit or suitable to be eaten. Example, the shrub has small edible berries. Synonyms, safe to eat, fit to be eaten, fit for human consumption, wholesome, good to eat. Antonyms, inedible. 15 ambitious, adjective.
बुलंद हौसला, हौसलामंद, ख्वाहिशमंद, मुश्ताक.
Having or showing a strong desire and determination to succeed. Example, a ruthlessly ambitious workaholic. Synonyms, aspiring, determined, forceful, pushy, enterprising, pioneering, progressive, eager. Antonyms, unambitious, lazy. 16 precarious, adjective.
غير مستحكم, رعايتي, أرزنا.
Not securely held or in position, dangerously likely to fall or collapse. Example, a precarious ladder. Synonyms, uncertain, insecure, unreliable, unsure, unpredictable, undependable, risky, hazardous. Antonyms, safe, secure. 17 exacerbated.
मर्ज में शिद्दत पैदा करना.
To make something that is already bad even worse. Synonyms, heighten, irritate. Antonyms, calm, aid, alleviate. 18 lament, verb.
नोहा, रूना, गम में चीखना.
Express passionate grief about. Example, he was lamenting the death of his infant daughter. Synonyms, mourn, grieve, for/over, weep for, shed tears for, sorrow, wail, moan, groan, weep. Antonyms, celebrate, rejoice. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.